Hello, welcome back. On Sunday the 7th of September, Tom's TC was due to meet with a lot of other Yamaha MT-01 owners at the Sammy Millers Motorcycle Museum. Now, there was also the Kickback Custom and Classic Motorcycle show there that day, so we thought we'd turn up, meet Tom, see his bike, and also have a wander around the show. Everybody's
care in the community.
Do you like how quietly I shouted about you leaving your love eggs on with that drone buzzing away in the background? Well, that MT sounds rough, doesn't it? And there he is. There's Mr. Tom's TC down there, hiding in the background. Oh, it's Tom with the drone.
It is.
Ah, Mr. Diddy. Mr. TDR. As you can see, there are quite a few bikes there. Quite a few. Can you imagine wheeling that around? One because of that back wheel, but look at them. Like an orangutan hanging off of it.
Look at all the real estate, you put all your paraphernalia.
Yeah, look at all that. All them bar clamps you could have on there, look. Lovely. Right, let's see.
Go after the rain, doesn't it?
I mean, look, whoever owns that doesn't look after it. It's a bit dirty. Have they changed? Have they changed the front on them to the 24s? They have, haven't they? Because it looks wider to me.
Yeah. Yeah, they revised this a bit, and there's no indicator stalks.
What year is that? 18, 19?
Something like that. 'Cause it's got blocks rather than a
Yeah.
top.
Solo RWB. He's got a 10 plate on it, but it's newer than that. XJR, I have one of them. That's the one bike I wish I'd kept, because that one I have is absolutely immaculate. Like a twat, I sold it. Because it's always greener over the other side, you know. Yeah, that sounds nicer than Tom's, doesn't it? Sounds much nicer than Tom's.
Yeah. See,
they all sound lovely.
I do that and find that the exhaust is on the top of the lid and melt the fucking thing.
Is that a Peterbilt? No, great big truck there. Like, imagine the
Western Star.
imagine the shit that's going to come out of them pipes.
That should be done.
They even struggle to tick over. Look at it, everything on it is shaking. And now we come to the MT-01 scrapyard, breaking for spares, and I don't think one of them starts.
Upgraded from peasantry.
They are beautiful though. There is some absolute beasts in it. There it is in the flesh, look, the Tom's TC Chariot.
Oh, look, fellow YouTubers.
I'm sure I've seen this on YouTube.
Nah, nowhere not.
Is this the one that wouldn't start?
Yeah, this is the one that wouldn't start.
Lovely though, isn't they? You all ought to fire them up at once.
Well, they've been making a lot of noise over there, so we might do that.
Yeah, let them have it. Let them have it.
Yeah.
Beauties, isn't it? Yeah. We should have bought our stickers and stuck them on everybody's bike. I'm going to jump that side of you.
Yeah, I think you all have air scoops on the side of yours.
There you go, Alex. That's what you can do with your 350. Turn your 350 Classic into one of them.
You see,
for sale too, look. Oh yes. There, Steve, you can turn your Meteor 350 into that. Steve likes that, look, he wants to buy that. Not too sure about that saddle though. BMW 247.
That's the bit the spring used to be. Don't worry, I didn't strip it.
You got flashing lights everywhere, Nick. Got my number plate on there.
See, you know.
Fat. That's a hell of a paint job, isn't it? Fortune favours the bold. Triple six. Three 1940s Jap 600s. Not bad.
It's almost dropped the market out for the V2s. It's difficult to get rid of. Just a little bit, mate. I don't get good fire out of that. Fire up, right? Oh, fuck
Another Beamer. Right. Oh, is he? Got a couple of days spare, is he?
So, I know that it's a bit like an S, but actually the AMC board, and that's why.
So if you go into your
That'll probably come up as and all I put on line
We like the old fighters.
yeah, super cheap. Oh, that's more your style.
Yeah, you might see.
All the goodies at this side. How I introduce you to Nick, his subscribers pick on me. Horrible people.
It's worth every penny I send them.
Well, I'm not even quite sure what that is.
It's a Honda CX Virginia, is it?
That's had my fucking words and bloody Katie Price.
Now, look at that pipe on the side, just in case you get caught short.
Look, blows hot air at him, keep him warm.
It does, doesn't it?
GL 650, look.
Vincent plated.
There we have. There's the weirdest mod you'll ever see to a bike. Grab Steve, he's just grabbing he's in the queue for a coffee. He's been there a week already.
Yeah.
If you go and catch him quick, he'll grab you one, I suppose. He's like that.
Be in there somewhere.
Is he the richest one now?
Oh, loaded. Absolutely bloody loaded. Sponges off his wife, apparently. The linkage bar for his gear change. It's a chain, but that was his spot welded it. Street Fighter.
That's not worth filming, that's a scrapper.
I bet they killed a few over the years.
Yeah, educate, yeah.
Nice to see the tyres being used properly.
No, all Kickstart.
So the reason for the buttons?
Lights, full beam, low beam,
that's
lights, and the one at the back here is cut out, mag cut out.
Okay.
I could do that just by pulling the compression lever, but I've got an earth on the mag. The same one, I've got a button for that. But the only thing is, it's you say it's good, but my hand's on that. So it's not a case of being able to get across. So I'd really want that
seen the,
here, but the thing is, because I've got the compression.
Just come here on it. No, you put it. What about everything else in the garage? That's all I mean.
These are the velcros.
Well, I didn't remember it.
I'm showing it last year when I flipped like right here, and it wasn't running properly, and I could not figure out the life was why, and I was like, right right. That's the third time.
And what do you think?
I don't know.